Welcome. If you want to verify your Instagram account using your email address on the Instagram app for PC, especially after the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step through the entire process so you can secure your account and get full access to all of Instagram's features. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in to the account you want to verify. Once you're in, look towards the bottom left corner of your screen. Here you'll see the More option. Click on it to open a new menu. From the menu, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage all your account preferences. Next, find and click on Accounts Center. This is where Instagram manages your personal details and connected accounts. Inside the Accounts Center, look for Personal Details and click on it. This section contains all your contact information. Now click on Contact Info. Here you'll see an option to add new contact details. Click on Add New Contact and then choose Add Email Address. A new window will pop up asking you to enter your email address. Type in the email address you want to use for verification.